What if everything you see uses just 3 recipes? Ingredient 1. The element. Nature's purest, unbreakable form. Secret. Only 2 elements are liquid at room temperature. They form 4 secret societies with unique powers. Same element, 3 forms: lone atoms, partnerships, or charged rivals. Meet the celebrities. This is chemistry's forbidden romance. Watch what happens. From chaos comes order. From 2 deadly elements, food. Even identical elements have twins with different weights, isotopes. Some elements are wild. They explode in water, burn brighter than sun. Others build civilization, your bones, diamonds, and this digital world. Nitrogen fills your lungs. Oxygen feeds fire. Chlorine was once a weapon. Helium escapes Earth forever. Neon glows with cold fire. Copper conducts power. Gold never tarnishes. Zinc sacrifices itself. Silver mirrors us. Nickel coins our world. Cobalt paints masterpieces. Mercury, liquid metal that looks alive. Bromine, red liquid that smells like death. Iodine is a ghost. It skips liquid, going solid to gas before your eyes. But alone, they're powerless. They can't make water, air, or life.
This is chemistry's love story. Opposites attract with invisible force.
With that spark, a chemical bond is born. Unbreakable by ordinary means. One becomes millions, and suddenly, we have water. Our first compound. Ammonia cleans. Methane fuels. Each with unique atomic architecture. Ionic bonds create entire crystal worlds. Perfect mathematical order. Watch compounds grow with nature's own mathematical precision. Metals can unite atomically, creating alloys stronger than themselves. These are chemistry's sculptures. Molecules so beautiful, they're art.
All compounds divide. Inorganic minerals versus organic life itself.
Carbon dioxide chills. Sodium carbonate cleans. Chemistry serves daily. Iodine exposes starch. Potassium chloride protects hearts.
Proteins build you. Sugars fuel you. Acids power industry. Citric acid makes lemons sour. Acetic acid cleans what soap can't. Every pure compound sample is identical. Chemistry's first law.
Crush it here, find it there. Identical anywhere on Earth. The pattern repeats perfectly forever. No errors, no variations. Scoop top or bottom, same throughout. That's true purity.
But this scoop changes every time. Welcome to chaotic mixtures.
Mixtures aren't messy failures. They're nature's beautiful improvisations.
Mixtures have one rule: combine in any ratio. No fixed recipe.
Air you breathe, soil you walk on,
all everyday mixtures.
Some mixtures hide perfectly. Salt water looks pure, but isn't.
Stir it, shake it, wait years, still perfectly uniform. Under the microscope, every sample identical. These are solutions.
But muddy water reveals the truth. The beam can't hide.
Like this granite countertop. Look closer, it's lying to you. 3 minerals hiding: clear quartz, pink feldspar, sparkling mica.
Striped, pebbly, layered, all heterogeneous rock mixtures.
Soil is Earth's ultimate mixture, where life meets minerals.
We can separate mixtures back into their pure components.
Mica peels thinner than paper. Nature's own nanotechnology. Limestone fizzes in acid, revealing its calcium carbonate identity.
Mix in any ratio, they recombine. No fixed recipe, that's freedom.
Homogeneous versus heterogeneous, the two faces of mixtures.
From your lunch to our planet, everything's a mixture.
But here's the twist that changes everything about elements.
For millennia, we only found elements. Then we learned to make them.
Technetium, the first artificial element. Created by humans, unstable, radioactive, and entirely our creation. We play God with atoms.
Some elements don't belong to nature. We invent them in labs. Elements, compounds, mixtures, and now elements we invent. What recipe makes you? The discovery continues.